I left the quaint municipality of Prades along with Anna behind, and gave my van a much needed wash. That evening I headed deeper into the mountains and landed on a campsite with a stunning view of the sunset. Man-made reservoir. Water looks beautiful. It's nice. I'm tired. I wasn't feeling too great, so I relaxed by the lakes for the day, ready to find some waterfalls tomorrow. So I've just driven through the mountains from the mountainous area that I was in before. About an hour and a half, I think. Spain's answer to the Blatna Bar, so that was cool. Winding down this road to a place called Fontcalda, I think it's what I'll put it on screen. Apparently there's some warm springs here, and if not, I guess I'll just go in the cold water. But yeah, we're gonna go try and have a swim, and let's go and check it out. It's a really beautiful area, sat in a huge valley. Doesn't seem that clean. It's not actually that cold. It's not like a warm spring though. Maybe there's another one. I'll have a little bit more of a walk. So I think I've found a good spot, but this path just keeps going around, so I'm going to check out what's up here. But if not, I'll be heading back down there because there's some really nice little spots to swim in. Okay, I'm going to go in this one. There's quite a lot of fish in here. I'm going to go in this bit and maybe like this bit. It's a cool spot though, huh? That's cold. Oh. I thought it was going to be warm. That's cold. Oh. Okay. Oof. Yeah. Okay, now time for the head. Here we go. Get to a little bit of a deeper bit. Ooh. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That wakes you up. I think it may have made me smell worse. Probably not that clean really. The fish are loving it. Hey fishy, fishy, fishy. Hey fishy. Let's go for a little walkie. In the water. Oh, this could be difficult. This is slippy. Slow-mo time. I feel good. If you are feeling down, sad or tired or whatever, find some cold water. And even if you're in there like I am for like 10 seconds, or put your head under for like 2 seconds, just go for it. It makes you feel so much better. Oh god, it feels good. This place is so incredible. It's super quiet. Loads of little pools you can just paddle in. The water's pretty clean. Not too bad, a bit mossy, but it's, I can see my feet. But yeah, wicked place. Look at that. Oh, nearly went. Bye, my friend. This is at the top of the road. Oh god, it's amazing here. Absolutely unreal. There's the old vanny. Check this one out. Oh my lord. I can't believe this is in Spain. Just built from my So I'm at this really cool eco-focused campsite after leaving my swimming. It's really nice, all like it's a beautiful natural area, as you can see. But the shower block and all that kind of thing is all heated, and the electricity by solar, which is great. But yeah, really nice people, and an absolutely belting spot. Just making some food. But look at that view. What a beautiful place to wake up in. Don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the birds are singing so loud. Beautiful sky, mountainous backdrop. I'm just going to do some yoga. I feel like I should have a good stretch. My body's feeling a bit tight, and it's a stunning spot to do it. One of the things I've become quite consistent with is making overnight oats the night before for breakfast, because it's so easy, and it's quite healthy as well. So today I've just remembered that you can I mashed up a banana and put a banana in there, and then just oats, oat milk, and a bit of protein powder and a bit of golden syrup, and it's really nice. So I've spent the morning actually making some travel plans, which is unlike me. But it's good because I've kind of got a month and a half left now, and I can get it all set out. Now this place looks wicked. No one here. Literally just a dirt track for 5 kilometres. There's signs and everything, and it actually says that you should pay, like if there was someone here, you know, in the summer, I guess, in the season. It's a Monday today, so I'm assuming that's why it's super quiet. Some of the road you snake alongside a bit of the river, and wow, the water is so clear. I saw lots of little waterfalls, and it's called Tol de Vidre, so it's one of the best swimming spots in this area, I think. It's a bit chilly, it's warm, but it's quite windy, so I probably will have a swim, but we'll see. Let's see what this sign says. This is unreal. Oof, some flies. Oh my lord. Look at that. The water is super cold. Oh, that's chilly. I can't quite believe that I've got this place to myself. There's literally no one here. Should have brought my sliders down. Oh, this is going to be painful. So I've walked about 15 feet and my feet, it's so cold. I can't feel my feet. I don't know if I've got this one in me. I'm going to progress to this rock and see how I feel. Actually, just my feet are in and it is hurting. It's really painful. I've made it to this little rock. I think this might be a case of an even quicker dip than yesterday. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's really clear though. The water is so clear, look. Oh, the adrenaline is pumping. I've just put some water on my belly. We're getting there. We're getting there. Come on. I really don't want to do this. 3, no. Okay. That's so cold. literally have this whole place to myself. It's so beautiful. I think I touched on it earlier, there's vultures in this national park. National or natural, I'm not sure. Can't quite remember the name of the park or the area. It's something like Natural Del Pots or something like that. But I'm not sure if you'll be able to spot them. Probably won't be able to see them on the camera, but there's two vultures circling up there, a fair way away. But obviously on the GoPro it's like a wide angle lens, so you might not be able to see them. But that is crazy. And also in this part of Spain, you can see the Iberian lynx as well, and maybe wolves as well. I think I read wolves. So yeah, real wide, diverse range of nature here. Go down these steps, walk through this bit, and then you're behind the waterfall. Wow, cool. It's actually just started raining, but I want to have a little bit more of an explore a bit further upstream, because it looks like there's some nice. So that's where the main bit is there. This would be a nice place to swim, eh? Yeah, look at that. So many flies. There's my little old van in the empty car park. I've actually just seen a tractor. First person I've seen in a while. Met a really nice Dutch guy at the campsite this morning, and he was renting patches of land, like 3 or 4 patches of land in Spain, growing olives, grapes, almonds, and then selling them. And he was just doing that for a bit and stay in his van for like a couple of days at each one, do some work, sell the produce. I'm heading towards Valencia. I'm about 2 hours away. So from where I was doing the swimming earlier, I've travelled maybe an hour and a half. This park up should be quite nice for the evening. Kind of a sea view. Look at that. Van's parked up there. Seaside. Happy days. Yeah, back on my way back down to Valencia now, so I'm pretty much just snaking the coast down to Valencia. This seems like a nice little quiet spot I found on Park for Night, so I'm going to stay here, I think. Back by the coast. So this is my current cooking setup, and it's similar to what I do really at most like little public park huts where you're still going to get locals, but it's not going to be an issue, rather than cooking in the van, because at all costs I don't want to cook in the van, and I'm obviously not setting up let's check the gas. Yeah, I'm obviously not setting up my table and chairs, because it's just not foot is boiling. It's not really good practice, and if the police come, then you're technically camping when your table and chairs are out, I think, rather than sleeping in your car. So don't set up your table and chairs, basically. But yeah, just keep the gas stove on the floor, away from any kind of grass, or not on top of grass, like, and then keep all my food and everything nice and contained, so that it doesn't look messy, and just don't give people a reason to have a go at you, basically. So yeah, and also I make a really simple meal, so I'm just boiling up some water, some pasta, tomato sauce and a bit of veg, so nice and easy meal. It only take me like 10 minutes, and then my cooking's done.